All right, right
What
back.
would be
at it.
awesome is if you can put together a blooper
A
reel.
blooper.
I'm gonna lose about 10 pounds. It's just funny
My suit.
the more we do it.
Our high-end wine. Yeah. Start over. We got a complete set of.
We'll have to bleep that one out.
First of all, just come in and see us.
When did we blow that one?
A bunch of intoxicating liquors in front of us.
Yeah.
We want to make sure they're safe.
Yeah. Exactly.
And while you're at it, follow us on Untapped to keep up with the latest beer releases.
I just stumbled on it. Wish you a safe and happy holiday. That one we have to nail because we sing it together.
Yeah.
To all of you, we wish you a happy holidays. So from all of us here, to all of you, we wish you a happy and safe holiday. So from all of us to all of you, wishing you a safe and happy holidays.
Yeah, we screwed that end up again. So most of all, come in and see us here.
One more time.
Okay. You're drilling us.